Google Search Console is a free platform for anyone with a website to monitor how Google views their site and optimize its organic presence. That includes viewing your referring domains, mobile site performance, rich search results, and highest traffic queries and pages. In this video, I will show you how to create Google Search Console account for Shopify. First, you have to sign in your Gmail account. Then go to Google Search Console website. Then click on Start Now. Now, copy your website's link and paste here. Then click on Continue. Go to HTML tag and click here and copy the code. Then go to Shopify store. Now click on Online Store. Now click on three dot and click on Edit Code. Now click on Theme Liquid. Paste the code after head opening tag. Then click on Save. Then go to Google Search Console account and click on Verify. Now click on Go to Property. Now click on Sitemaps. Write here sitemap.xml. Then click on Submit. Refresh the page. Now your account is ready. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us. Thanks for watching.